Mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel. You're here with KikayCathy. So today is my official paid charge. Just kidding. No, today is my official makeup for the photo shoot. So I want to introduce her. Come here.
Hi.
This is Fritzline.
Okay.
She's gonna have her graduation, and I did her makeup. And
so good, guys. Oh my god.
Thank you. So if you want to see more on how we did it, keep watching.
Okay. Bye.
I'm gonna put the primer first. Also, your primer actually has some color. So the primer will make your makeup stay a lot longer, especially the foundation. So I'm gonna use the lighter one and use this as the base. I'm gonna use a lighter one so that so it will pop colors a lot more. I'm gonna use this dual brush. We're gonna use the blending side first to do the sides, and then we'll use this one for later.
Yep.
This one first, but this is to like neutralize the look.
Black Friday. Camera taking the YouTube videos, so you don't have to use your phone.
Oh no, Angela actually got me a GoPro 7. Didn't get it ready because I don't know how to use it just yet. Can you please close it? Nice, thank you. I got you, girl. Don't worry, it's gonna be pretty. So
before I kick your ass, dude.
Oh, hell, man, look at What is that? It's concealer. So we're gonna do like still the half cut crease. This is lighter than what I used to really do. This will make it pop like a little, but not too, crazy pop. But it will help because it's lighter.
You know what?
Close your eyes, please. She is the hardest to do makeup because she wants to see it right away. It's gonna be all wrinkly if you don't open it right.
Oh, I look like a ho-ho.
And that's a natural ho-ho.
A ho-ho.
Yeah, the ho-ho hostess.
Like, if you like a guy and you always look dumb, he gonna treat you like dumb, like, like you a dummy.
I don't think so. You just have to find that right guy, but no rushing.
I'm not. Like, the first time, they always be nice when they got your pum pum girl. I'm not dumb. Good. After they got your pum pum girl, you dumb.
Look up. I don't want you to look yet, just yet, okay? Don't look, hey!
Okay.
I want you to see the difference of the one I used for you to the other side. So I'm not gonna do the other side just yet. I want to show everybody how a perfect foundation will look like. Okay, this is the one without the foundation, and show them that side.
Bomb. Okay.
Look up. This is what they call baking. Well, we're not gonna bake it. So how can I skin it? If you bake it, it's gonna be more dry rather than looking perfect and bright. You look like a freaking doll.
Well, hi.
So right now we're trying out the lipstick. She wants something red that will look good with her scarf. So we're trying them out rather than just, doing this. Because sometimes you can do that and look if it looks good on your eyes. I don't think this is the one.
Thank you. Where's the another way?
Wait. Ooh,
Is
this
it?
looks like the right one. Yeah, it's the right color. Thank you. What do you think? Well, let's put a little bit of lip gloss.
Yeah, that's okay.
What you think?
Okay. Damn, I look like a dog.
Yeah, with that lipstick, yes. You're good.
No,
I can say no to that one. Oh, make that sticky. Is it? No, I see it. It's coming. God dang it. I totally forgot about this.
It's the Photoshoot girl. Don't be scared. Oh my god! I look so different with this song. Ooh.
Okay, I have this gloss.
Girl, why you wanna do that for?
Huh? Do you like the color? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's a red,
I
right?
like it too. I was thinking like a little bit of like on here, like a little.
Okay.
But I kind of like. I kind of like this part though. I like it. Let's not touch it.
Let me
Okay.
put my clothes. No.
Okay, put on your clothes because all we needed to do is just a freaking lane. Huh? Your lashes.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so you saw my masterpiece with her, and this is what I did on mine. Just a quick one, really quick one, because I was doing her makeup. I didn't do my makeup and I did this, but this is mine today. Well, more like just eye look. What do you think? So So this is the final look.
Oh, it looks so good.
You like it?
Yeah, thank you.
She looks like a flight attendant, doesn't she?
Yo, period.
She needs a boyfriend. Don't tell her I told you.
You're not gonna post this, huh?
Huh? Okay.
Oh, girl, you so good. Like, oh shit. Good. I need to test my hair.
So she has I did her makeup. She's gonna have a photo shoot. So
This is Giovanni Roscom page. So if you want to look into the pictures and videos, and it's gonna be here. So let's look at the graduation photo shoot for Fritzline. There she is. They did it at UNR. Alright, please don't forget to like his page. I also have a FB page. It's KikayCathy. And like I said, you can go and look up and see more in here. Thank you so much, Giovanni Roscom, for doing her photo shoot. Thank you, Fritzline. And thank you so much for watching.
I'll see you again in my next video.